Have you ever wondered why, year after year, we keep buying tablets that promise to replace our laptops, only to end up using them as glorified streaming screens? For the longest time, the premium tablet market has felt like a race where the iPad Pro was galloping miles ahead while everyone else was just trying to catch up. But what if I told you that in late 2026, Samsung is preparing to drop a device that does not just catch up, but completely rewrites the rules of portable productivity? We have just uncovered massive, incredibly detailed leaks regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus, and quite frankly, the competition should be terrified. From a highly controversial shift in its internal silicon to a massive battery upgrade and a totally revamped software experience that threatens to make your traditional laptop entirely obsolete, the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is shaping up to be the ultimate productivity beast of the year. Welcome back to TapTech, your ultimate hub for honest, no-nonsense tech breakdowns. If you are tired of spending your hard-earned cash on tech that overpromises and underdelivers, you have found your home. Today, we are diving deep into the official leaks, rumors, and authentic specs of the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because the leaked pricing and release date we found might just make you cancel your current tech upgrade plans entirely. Let us get right into it. Let us rewind just a bit to understand exactly why the Tab S12 Plus is such a monumental deal right now. If you have been following Samsung's tablet strategy over the past few years, you know it has been a bit of a roller coaster. We saw the standard and Ultra models dominate the conversation, and there were moments when the Plus model felt a little neglected. But moving through 2026, Samsung is bringing the Plus model back to the forefront with an absolute vengeance. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is strategically positioned to be the ultimate sweet spot for premium users. The Ultra model is an incredible piece of engineering, but let us be real for a second. It is practically a portable monitor. It can be quite unwieldy for reading on the couch or using on a cramped airplane tray table. On the flip side, the standard 11-inch models can sometimes feel a bit too cramped for serious multitasking. Enter the 12.4-inch form factor of the S12 Plus. It gives you enough visual canvas to run 3 heavy applications side by side without squinting, yet remains portable enough to easily slide into a messenger bag. For the premium market, where mobility and desktop-grade productivity need to intersect flawlessly, this size is the undeniable winner. Now, let us talk about the display and the build quality, because Samsung never pulls its punches in this specific department. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is rocking a gorgeous 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a QHD plus resolution and a buttery smooth 120 Hz variable refresh rate. But it is not just the same old panel we saw in previous generations. The latest supply chain leaks suggest we are seeing incredible advancements in peak brightness and color accuracy. We are talking about pushing well past standard nite levels, featuring a new anti-reflective coating to ensure flawless outdoor visibility. Imagine taking your tablet outdoors to work at a bright cafe in direct sunlight and not having to squint at a washed-out, glaring screen. The contrast ratios are going to be absolute perfection, making this not just a professional workhorse, but the ultimate media consumption device for streaming movies after hours. Build quality is taking another firm step forward as well. The S12 Plus is expected to stick with Samsung's ultra-durable upgraded armor aluminum frame. This premium material keeps the tablet incredibly thin, measuring an impossibly sleek 5.5 millimeters while retaining the rigid structural integrity you need. It will also maintain its IP68 water and dust resistance rating, meaning accidental spills are completely harmless. The bezels remain perfectly symmetrical, giving you just enough room to grip the device comfortably. All right, it is time to address the absolute elephant in the room: the performance and the actual silicon inside this machine. For years, the US market has been deeply conditioned to associate premium Android performance exclusively with Qualcomm Snapdragon chips. However, following the trend they set with the Tab S10 series, the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is continuing a massive pivot that currently has the entire tech community buzzing. According to highly reliable industry leaks, Samsung is equipping the S12 Plus with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus processor. Yes, you heard that correctly. MediaTek is once again powering the flagship. Before you rush down to the comments section to complain about this choice, let us look at the actual facts. MediaTek has completely closed the gap at lightning speed, and the Dimensity 9500 Plus, built on an ultra-efficient 3nm architecture, is an absolute monster of a chip. This specific chipset is designed to excel in sustained performance and extreme power efficiency, prioritizing heat management in thin chassis. When you combine this with 12 GB of RAM and storage expanding up to 1 TB, you get a tablet that will not break a sweat under intense pressure. Whether you are scrubbing through heavy video timelines or bouncing between intensive business applications, this chip is engineered to rival Apple's M-series silicon in real-world multitasking. A powerhouse tablet is entirely useless if it dies halfway through your transatlantic flight. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus features a 10,090 mAh battery. Paired with the highly optimized Dimensity processor and AMOLED panel, we anticipate a device that can effortlessly handle a full 14-hour workday without hunting for a wall outlet. When you finally do need to juice up, it retains Samsung's reliable 45-watt fast-wired charging. But raw hardware specs do not sell premium tablets. Software does. This is where the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus attempts to assassinate the traditional laptop. The real star is the next evolution of Samsung DeX, deeply supercharged by on-device Galaxy AI. Your tablet instantly preloads your specific window arrangements based on the time of day, and offers generative AI assistance for summarizing massive PDF reports securely on-device. Samsung also continues to include the industry-leading S Pen right in the box, an absolute game-changer for digital artists and serious note-takers. As for the cameras, the landscape 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures you are looking center frame during important video calls. We are fully expecting the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus to be officially released in August or September of 2026. Leaks point to a starting price of around $1,049 in the US market. When you factor in the included S Pen, the massive OLED display, and genuine laptop-grade multitasking, the value proposition is incredibly strong. Are you ready to embrace a MediaTek-powered premium tablet? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in to TapTech. Smash that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video.